It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ya? It pours, man, it pours. Right, baby? Meow. Don't you like my singing? Huh? Don't you like my singing? Meow. Ooh, you can see my ugly feet. Sorry, guys. It's been raining off and on all night, and it really coming down good this morning. God is washing everything down. Yeah. Praise the Lord. Maybe this will swing some of that moisture up north too, and knock them. Get the humidity up there so they can knock them fires down. But we're good here in Southern California. Yeah. So we got rain. Yay! Early fall. I love it. I love it. Now I don't. The grass is still pretty green, but I needed some out over there. That's always been a tough spot to get grass to grow. Why? What? You gonna take baby too, baby? Emma. I know you want that. It pours, man, it pours. Oh, you got food? What are you whining about? I know. She wants snacks. Alright, you guys. I love you so much. I'm gonna let you go. You have a blessed day. Remember to lift one another up. Be honest with one another. Hey, and what was it? Oh yeah. You gotta roll with God. It's the only way to go. I love you all very much. Bye for now.